here are the placement of the cameras. This camera here shoots down the street, and this one over here shoots the other way down the street here. You can also see this one here that gets the two. This one gets the two break-in points at these windows. And then of course we also have right here the ever so friendly camera that is right here for people coming into the front door, and also they're available for package delivery.
Our video doorbell, it's a Skybell, and it works as a video intercom. We can remotely get a video feed. Okay, Ben, why don't you come up to the doorbell and ring it? Oh, hey, Ben, I got your doorbell.
All right.
Just go ahead and say something. Say hi.
Hello there, Garth. Can you hear me?
Yep, I sure can. Man, I could never find the damn lights. But now I don't have to because I've got Google Home. I have motion integration so that the lights automatically come home. Whenever I walk through past this line, it turns on all the lights in the room. I've got motion sensors set up around the house at strategic points. So the hallway can be illuminated as I progress. We have Phillips Hue integrated with Google Home. So we can just ask Google whenever we want to turn the lights on or off or change color. Okay, Google, make everything blue.
Okay, changing 15 lights to blue.
All right, Google. Hey, Google, make everything green.
Sure, changing 15 lights to green.
Man, Garth, this is a hard project. It's hot in here, maybe. But you don't have AC or something?
Hey, Google, set the AC to 70 degrees.
You got it, setting the AC on the house to 70 degrees.
All right, so I'm going to test the home security system now. So, Ben, why don't you go outside, and I'll go ahead and arm the system.
All right.
All right, so Ben's outside now. So if I go ahead and click arm, the system is armed. So if Ben comes back inside, it'll trigger an alarm.
Break-in detected. Alert.
So now that this alarm's going off, there's no way to silence it unless we go ahead and click disarm in the app.
Alert.
So if I go ahead in here and click disarm.
Alert. Alert.
It goes ahead and silences the system.
System silenced.
I will tell you is he also installed a brand new escalator in his home.